All right, here's a short video tutorial on Surprise Symphony. Let's look at our music together. Okay, I'm going to get a little pen, and we know the first thing we should look at is the time signature. Hopefully you can see that. It's 4/4 time signature, and we know that every measure is going to get 4 beats. Okay, so I'm going to erase this. All right, and now we should look at the notes that we have to play. We have to play C, right? So that's beat 1, and another C, beat 2, and then we have E, E. Okay, so that's beat 3, 4. And now measure 2, we go to G, and we see another G. So we know that this measure, we have 1, 2 beats, and then a half note. That is beat 3 and beat 4. Okay, let's keep moving on, counting our beats. And then in measure 4, we have a quarter note, which is the F note, beat 1, another quarter note on the F first space, which is F, beat 2, and then we go down, or I should say, we're going to move to our third beat, which is note D, and then our fourth beat. Okay, so in every measure, it's getting 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now we're down to our bass clef, and we see we have beat 1, which is playing the B note, note B, and then beat 2, and then another half note, and the half note gets 2 beats. So we should count that 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now let's just look at measures 1 through 4 together. Here we go. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so notice that you hear all of those clear beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I'm going to erase, and I'm going to make my eraser nice and big, and we're going to move to the next measures. Okay, so now let's move the music up, and we're looking at measure number 5. And we're going to measure 5. We're going to do measures 5, 6, 7, and 8. So here is measure 5. Okay, and again, we're seeing a pattern. So that means what we saw in measure 5, we see in measure 1. C, C, E, E. So we know this is beat 1, beat 2, beat 3, and beat 4. Every measure is going to equal 4. Let's look at measure number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course, I'm drawing on a screen, so my 3 doesn't look that good. And then finally, beat measure 7 and measure 8. We see a little bit of a change. We're going from F to D to B to G, and then we're ending on C, C, all played with the left hand, but the measures or the beats don't change. Everything equals a total of 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have our half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I can make that look a little bit better so that you can see that. Okay, so this is 3, 4. Okay, here we are, 3, 4. All right, so now let's play measures 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, we're going to play that together. I'm just going to erase the measure numbers here, but I'll keep the beats, the counts underneath. Okay, I'm in position. I'm going to count up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to play together, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have C, C, E, E, G, G, E, F, D, B, G, C, C. All right, so practice that, and I'll see you in the classroom.